Beautiful people, welcome to the channel. This is JM Kondo channel, and we are coming live from Ngong Road, and I want to be walking with you to show you how Ngong Road has transformed. With the dualing of this road, there is a lot of development in this region, and there is so much to explore, especially in terms of business infrastructure. Yeah, as you can see, we are starting our video from Adams Arcade. So kindly watch the video to the end so that you can be able to discover how Ngong Road has really transformed. And for those who I am advertising their business for free, when I become famous, I will come for my check. So let's begin our video from here. And as you can see, this place looks very serenic. Yeah, so as you can, that is the side of Kilimani. We're gonna be doing a video from Kilimani, I think today. So welcome to the channel. Hal Hassan Motors Limited. Wait, when I become famous. Yeah, so those are some of the businesses that you can be able to find in Ngong Road. So welcome to the channel. Look at these tall apartments, very nice apartments and business complex. So much business that is happening on this route. I want to be walking with you from Adams Arcade to Uphill. So it's a long distance, but let's see whether you can be able to make it. Of course, I am a long distance trader. They say that campers are long distance traders, so walking is not a problem for any long distance trader. Look at the side of Kilimani. That is Kilimani. If we head that way, we're gonna be finding ourselves in Kilimani. Look at this. Yeah, Double Tree. That's a restaurant over there. And then we have another motor shop. I think around this area, all through, there is so much motor shops that you can be able to find. So let's walk and see what we can be able to find. Please watch the video to the end and make sure you subscribe, because that's the best way you can be able to support me. Imagine walking from Adams Arcade to Harper Hill. I think it's more than 5 kilometers or around 8 kilometers around there. I'll be able to confirm and tell you by the time this video ends. Yeah, Prestige, Naivas Prestige over there, and the people stuck on traffic. And imagine this road is a dual carriage, so people are buying cars like no tomorrow. You can see another car dealership over here. Yeah, free advertisement. So if you're looking for cars, head over to Ngong Road. I am not giving you any specific, but there are quite many. You can't walk like 10 meters without finding a car dealership. And the reason is the people around this area they have some disposable income, because we are people from Kilimani, Langata. Sorry, Langata is not around this area, but it's not that far. And of course, this is the route that is heading to Ngong. This is the same route that you can be able to use when you're going to Karen. So you find that most of the people around this area are middle class people, and they got some disposable income. So let's continue showing you how Kenya is developing. By the way, Kenya is really changing, and it's only that Kenyans themselves, they don't feel the change, but people from outside are really seeing Kenya as a go-to country, because nowadays we have so many people from Burundi, from Rwanda, from even Uganda, Tanzania coming to Kenya to work. So Kenyans, if you are just sleeping and lazing around thinking that there is not much in Kenya, you are doing yourself a lot of disservice, because you can see rich people, and people are getting rich every single day. They are making money, as you keep on complaining that the economy. Yeah, you keep on saying one term. The story about one term, I doubt whether it's really gonna bring food on your table. The best thing you can be able to do is wake up and do something, even if it's doing this kind of videos that we are doing here. It's something that can be able to help you grow as a person, develop a skill that you can be able to make money from. Okay, I'm doing so much talking, so let's do the exploring.